Hey guys, good morning. Currently in a trade here on TF. You can see it's right around 1420. Um, I'm gonna take it off right now. So I'm long. I just got my sell to close filled. I wanted to highlight why I entered, why I closed out. So right on the open here, right on the 30-minute, you can see that we've got a nice downtrend on the lower channel here that leads right into range low. So right here when we tested range low and we tested this downtrend, I was looking to get long um, based off of those two pieces of information, as well as if we take our Fibonacci tool from here, see that we get a nice perfect retracement off of that initial move down to the 78.6. So I was looking for completions. I was looking for anywhere in between that 23.6 and the negative 61.8 for a short-term trade. Keep in mind, this is a 30-minute chart. So short-term trade, I was looking at going long right here as we tested down. I ended up getting down just below the trend line, so I got long around here. And then you can see we traded right back into structure. Now, I don't want to try and hold through any of these retracements here. You can see that the overall trend is down, and I didn't want to hold through any of that. So I ended up taking it from here to here, and I'll post that in I'll post this in chat. Now, the other thing that I did do was here. Let's see, where's ES? Where's ES? ES, just at this test right here, the test of the trend line, we've got a nice lower down trend line, testing a 61.8 and some resistance. I ended up shorting and out of the money, just slightly out of the money, down around 23.71 even for a 2-hour binary. So I don't need a whole lot of movement in order to make that profitable, but I do expect that with this retracement, I do anticipate that we'll be trading back down into the 2370 area. So maybe down right around 2370.37 at the very minimum. So I'm going to pause the video. I see I'm out of my TF position. Here I'm short, out of the money, 20 contracts on ES. For the 2371, I'm going to hide this to clean up my screen a little bit so I don't have to scroll over, as I am trading off of just a laptop. So you can see that we're already starting to get movement in the right direction. I'm going to pause the video, and as we get some movement, I will start again. Hey guys, so we're starting to get some movement in the right direction. You can see I'm sitting plus 60, plus 70, kind of going back and forth between those. I entered right at the test of this trend line, and again I'm trading, and I have an out of the money at 2371, looking to trade it down into those levels. I also entered short where I took my long TF position off. Let's see if I can find that chart. So roughly the same setup. Nice 50% retracement. I remember I took long off of this structure here at 1376. And I traded right into this structure, so I ended up shorting it here. My long-term bias overall on the TF is that we've got this great uptrend that has yet to be tested. Now you can see this super long wick off of the those levels. That's where I ended up getting long. I still hold a short bias I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I still hold a short bias because we have yet to break these lows, and as we've broken these lows and are now retesting these lows here, so we broke those lows, and you can see that we just retested into those lows. We broke through, and now I'd really like to see a breakdown of these lows and take out these lows, and then target down here. Now, when we target down there, what we'll be able to what we'll also be able to use is a beautiful little negative 23.6 and a negative 61.8 retracement. So, excuse me for jumping all over the place here. I'll update you guys in a little bit. I would like to see a little bit more movement, but we're kind of sitting flat right now. So I will pause the video and jump back in when there's a little bit more movement. Hey guys, so we're trading into that structure. We're trading back into the 50% retracement on the ES here. You can see that now I'm currently sitting at 215, so sitting pretty well. 270, sitting pretty well on that. The TF trade sitting at plus 340. That one as well. If you scroll down to the 15-minute time frame, that bounce was pretty perfect. I ended up getting in right around here, 1383. They both look pretty similar. I have a longer term bias on TF, and again, the ES is a shorter term trade, taking it right into that structure and probably nothing more. C sitting plus 200. So the reason that you've been seeing me do more and more out of the money trades is because I get asked all the time, well, why, if your technical analysis is so on point, why are you always trading the easy stuff? Why are you always trading in the monies? Well, I trade across futures, forex, futures, spot forex, traditional options, stocks, and Nadex. And so why make Nadex more complicated than what it needs to be? Why not just leverage it for its ease of use? But I wanted to show that once you are able to pick your spots, and once you're able to leverage market movements and understand how the market moves and understand how structure works, then you can really pick your spots and leverage low risk out of the monies as well. So it doesn't necessarily need to be in the monies. It's the easiest thing in the world to do, in the trading world, that is. Just pick where price doesn't want to go and sit on top of it or below it and let it ride. But I just wanted to give that little bit of an explanation, because I've gotten a couple of, I get at least 10 to 15 messages a day asking why I strictly trade in the monies. I don't strictly trade in the monies, and I'm doing this to show you how you can leverage out of the monies as well, and leverage at the monies, and leverage everything that Nadex has to offer, while also continuing to trade down my traditional futures path. So I'm going to pause it, let it do a little bit more movement, and I will update you in just a few. Hey guys, so you can see that we've traded into that level nicely. I'm actually not going to hold at all anymore. I've gotten, the movement that I want. We hit my strike. We're moving past it just a little bit now, so I'm going to take this off here, just around 440, 465. So I was out for plus 465. You can see that the TF is moving nice, down to about 480. I'm going to pull my stop down to just inside of break even. So I will pause the or you know what, I'm going to end the video. I will post what happens, because this could be a a longer term move, so I will post what happens in chat.